The North Carolina Learning Object Repository offers a nice browsing function. In order to do so, though, you have to log in as a guest from the main page. I'm going to go ahead and click on that now. It will then take you to the actual repository where you can begin to browse and search. This repository is built off of Equella, and there are several other repositories that we'll take a look at later that use Equella. What's nice about this is it provides more of a consistent interface so that you know where to go to browse and search. You'll notice you can browse by subject and discipline, grade level, resource series, or even browse by resource learning type. I'm going to go click on resource learning type just for a minute, just to give you an idea of how many types of resources there are and the number of resources under those types. So exercises, there's over 4,600, and you can go down and look for, I'm going to go and look at games. Notice there's 93 games. So there are plenty of interactive learning materials and simulations. There's over 269 learning materials in this database. Let me go ahead and go to the subject and discipline so you can see that. Notice it has broad categories to start off, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Information Sciences, and then after clicking on Information Sciences I get some subcategories, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Library and Information Technology and scroll through those results. One interesting thing is the way things are classified can be a little surprising. For example, under Library and Information Technology, there's the tutorial Preparing for a Professional Interview, which gives you, the brief record gives you a quick description. Initially, that doesn't seem like a perfect fit. It seems more like a career category, but let's go ahead and click on that, and I'll just show you what it looks like when you get to the full description. Notice it gives you a lot of information, who it's intended for, and notice the related keywords, which again, career makes sense, interview. I'm going to go ahead and click on the actual item, which is in this case a link, and just show you how it starts. And I'm not going to do much here, but just give you a start.
Hello? Yes. Okay. Yes, you got my resume. Thursday?
So that gives you an idea, and it goes on and actually is quite interactive. You get to type in information and get responses, and that's the type of interaction we like to see. So as you can see, the browse function of this particular repository is quite robust and works quite well. To learn more about tools, techniques, ways to efficiently and effectively use this repository and others, check out my book, Interactive Open Educational Resources.